morning students. Welcome to your math class. Now student, today we will continue our chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is subtraction. Subtraction means take out a number. When we subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, we get a result. That is the difference between the bigger number and smaller number. Now student, today we are doing word problem sums. Now today we do word problem sums of 2 digit. When we do these sums, we see many words like left, remaining, how many, minus, etc. When we see these type of words, we have to subtract. So student, let us start our topic. Now we continue our sums. Sum number 7. Rahman has 82 cattle in his dairy farm. रहमान के पास 82 कैटल्स हैं उसके डेयरी फार्म पर. Of these 56 are buffaloes and the remaining are cows. कि 56 buffaloes हैं and जो remaining बच गए वो है cows. How many cows are there in his dairy farm? कि उसके डेयरी फार्म में कितनी काउज हैं हमें ये काउंट करना है. Student, we see how many words. It means we have to subtract in this sum. So student, firstly we decide what has given to us. That is, Rahman has 82 cattle. Total cattle is 82 and buffaloes are 56. Now we subtract 82 minus 56 is we get the cows. Let's do this sum. Student, firstly we write what has given in the question. Total cattle is 82. Number of buffaloes are 56. And how many cows? Number of cows is, when we subtract 56 from 82, we get 26. We get the number of cows 26. How we subtract? We subtract 6 from 2. No, it is not possible. So we take carry from 8. It becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 7 is left. 7 minus 5 is 2. That is 26. It becomes 26. Now student, firstly you have to decide what has given in the question and then write, and after that you decide what asked in the question. So student, in this question you have to find out the number of cows, that is 26. In a class there are 61 students. On a rainy day 24 remained absent. How many students were present on that day? ये क्लासरूम है बेटा, इसमें टोटल स्टूडेंट्स हैं 61 एंड ऑन अ रेनी डे, एक दिन बारिश होती है, उस दिन 24 स्टूडेंट absent होते हैं. तो हाउ मैनी स्टूडेंट्स वर प्रेजेंट ऑन दैट डे, हमें निकालना है कि कितने स्टूडेंट प्रेजेंट थे. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इन दिस सम बिकॉज वी see how many words in this sum. Student, firstly we write how many total students. Total students are 61. Absent students 24. And we have to find present students. So we subtract 24 from 61. When we subtract 4 from 1, it is not possible. So we take carry. It becomes 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. And here remains 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. It becomes 37. So the present students are 37. In the next question, Renu bought 70 chocolates on her birthday. रेनू है वो खरीदती है 70 चॉकलेट अपने बर्थडे पर. शी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड 46 टू हर फ्रेंड्स. और वो 46 अपने फ्रेंड्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देती है, बांट देती है. हाउ मैनी चॉकलेट्स वर लेफ्ट विद हर. उसके पास कितनी चॉकलेट्स बचती हैं. आपको यह फाइंड करना है कि उसके पास कितनी चॉकलेट लेफ्ट रह गई. वी सी द वर्ड लेफ्ट. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू subtract in this sum. So student, let us do this sum. Now total chocolates. How many total chocolates? That is 70. Distributed chocolates 46. And which we have to find, that is left chocolate. So we subtract 6 from 0. It is not possible. So we take 1 carry. It become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Here remains 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. It becomes 24. It becomes 24. Yes student, in this sum we have to given that total chocolates 70, distributed chocolate 46, and we have to find left chocolate, that is 24. Next sum is there are 64 workers in an office. 29 of them are women. How many men work in that office? कि एक ऑफिस है जिसमें 64 वर्कर्स काम करते हैं. 29 ऑफ देम आर वुमेन. उनमें से 29 वुमेन्स है. हाउ मैनी मैन वर्क इन दैट ऑफिस. उस जो ऑफिस है उसमें कितने मैन काम करते हैं, हमें इस सम में निकालना है. सो वी लेट अस डू दिस. फर्स्टली यू हैव टू राइट टोटल वर्कर्स. हाउ मैनी टोटल वर्कर्स? दैट इज 64. एंड नंबर ऑफ वुमेन वर्क इन द ऑफिस, दैट इज 29. 29. नंबर ऑफ मैन. हाउ वी गेट नंबर ऑफ मैन? वी subtract 29 from 64. It is not possible, so we take carry. 14 minus 9 is 5. Here remains only 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. It becomes 35. It becomes 35. Yes student, total workers 64. Number of women, that is 29. And number of men are 35. In this sum we have to subtract because we find out the number of men. Our next sum is student, how much is 43 less than 91. कि जो 43 है 91 से कितना कम है, आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट डू दिस. Student, it becomes 11. It becomes. So student, we have to find the difference 43 and 91. So student, we have to subtract in this sum. We write 91 and 43 and then subtract. It is not possible to subtract 3 from 1. So we take carry. It becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. Here remain 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So the difference is 48. The difference is 48. So student, these are our word problem sums of 2 digit. Now student. So student, today we are learn how we solve word problem sums of 2 digit. So student, you have to practice of these sums and revise again and again. Thank you. Have a nice day.